Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious donut cream. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring butter is softened to room temperature. You'll need powdered sugar, a touch of vanilla, and a splash of milk or cream. This foundational step is crucial for achieving that perfectly smooth texture. We're aiming for a rich, yet airy, filling that holds its shape beautifully inside your donuts. To begin, place 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter into a mixing bowl. Beat it on medium speed for about 2 minutes until it becomes light and airy. Next, gradually add 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing on low speed until fully incorporated. Remember to scrape down the sides of your bowl often to ensure everything is thoroughly combined and smooth. Once your sugar and butter are combined, it's time to add the flavor. Incorporate 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of whole milk or heavy cream. Increase your mixer speed to high and beat for 3 to 5 minutes. This whipping action incorporates air, making the cream incredibly light and fluffy. You'll see it transform into a smooth, pipeable consistency, perfect for filling your donuts. For variations, try adding a half teaspoon of almond extract or a tablespoon of cocoa powder for chocolate cream. Store any leftover cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Just re-whip briefly before using. This cream is versatile and truly elevates any donut. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.